So I want to show you how to clean my Dreo 42-inch tower fan and heater. It's actually much easier than you would think. The first thing to do is turn the power off and unplug it. Now after that, you're going to lay it down on its side like this, and I want to show you right there, there's a screw. You need to grab your Phillips head screwdriver and take that screw out. It's not a very big screw, so set it someplace you're not going to lose it. You're going to pull it down, and then you're going to just take it off like that. You're going to take this grill here, and you can absolutely wash this in the sink, soapy water, and make sure and rinse it really well. And then you're going to make sure that it's really dry before you reinstall that. Now this here spins, and this is part of the fan, the blades themselves, as well as a little bit of a filter. And this, you're going to want to just use like compressed air with it, or a little vacuum is actually ideal for it. And then once you have that clean, make sure and get down here as well. And you can use the same on the vents here, as well as the grill here. Now, once you've got this cleaned out, you can use a wet, damp cloth to clean all of this part here and the base, of course. And then you're just, after the grill that you removed is completely dry, then you're going to reassemble it just like you took it apart. You'll start by just laying it on there. It's super easy. You can see that this slides back and forth. You'll want to align the holes down here, which is pushing the whole grill up some, and then just put that screw back in there. So now it's ready to use again. Now, they don't list in their book how often you should clean it. It's got a lot of variables depending on how dusty your house is, how many pets you have in it, all kinds of different reasons. So as a general rule of thumb, you probably want to clean it once a month, no more than, I would say, once every 2 months. And make sure and start your season out. If you pack it away and store it in the garage or wherever, and only use it for the heater, then when you bring it back in the house, I would start by cleaning it so that you have a nice fresh fan and or heater before the season starts. Overall, super easy to do. It's important to do this to keep it clean, and it just takes a few minutes to do it.